It all started in 1963 when a small group of local artists gathered, and in 1964 was granted use of this building in Ocean City. In the future, it would become City Hall, but for now, it would be home of the Ocean City Art League. And from humble beginnings, what is now the Art League of Ocean City, just like the art and artists it spawns, is a very beautiful organization.
And the Art League can use you. Joining us this afternoon, this is Dr. Mary Ann Cooper, who is Education Director for the Art League of Ocean City.
Welcome.
Thanks for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you for having me.
We're going to find out here in just a second more about what you're looking for. But first, what, in your opinion, has led to the success, the overwhelming success of the Art League of Ocean City?
Well, it's a beautiful place to be.
Yeah.
And it's just a community of artists that come together, and it's a great place to be. Where can you go where you're not just having fun with art and you're learning and you're creative and motivated and inspired?
Yeah.
And it's gorgeous. It's a wonderful place to work. I get to go in every day and see the wonderful paintings and sculptures and glasswork. It's amazing.
It is amazing. Okay, so you're looking for instructors, is that right?
Yes, we are looking for instructors. I've been with the Art League for a year, actually coming up on my year anniversary. It's been wonderful. And we're working hard to just grow our educational programmings. So our exhibits are beautiful. We always have such amazing events, and we want the community to benefit. So we're looking for some instructors to bring in some new ideas and to bring in some things for our community.
Are you looking for instructors in any particular media?
We are looking for all instructors. So it could be in painting, it could be in mixed media and pottery, and just about anything. If someone is inspired by their art, we want that inspiration with us. We want that motivation. We want that excitement to share with our community, because everyone can be an artist and everyone enjoys art. So we want them to come to the Art League and share it with others.
So if somebody has an idea for a class that you haven't considered before, you're open to suggestions?
We are open to suggestions. They can call me, they can email me, I'll send them a proposal form and they can fill it out, and we'll talk about how we can get them on the calendar and try it out. We are open to trying out new ideas. So it might be something that's a little off the wall, and we're going to say, you know what, let's give it a try, because if it's art in your eyes, it might be art in someone else's eyes. Let's give it a try and let's see how people like it and how people respond.
So is the schedule for the instructor flexible?
Oh, it's totally flexible. They actually will reach out to me. We'll look at the calendar. We have 2 active classrooms at our Art League. So they'll come to me, we'll look at the calendar, and we'll work it out. It might be that they teach once a month, they might once a week, once a session. It really is flexible, and we really can work with them to determine when they want to teach and what they want to teach and how it goes down.
Nice.
Is it a volunteer position?
It is not a volunteer position. So they are paid, and we can talk about that. It really depends on what they're teaching and how long they're teaching and their experience, but we'll talk about that. And they can get paid to teach what they love.
What about the materials?
So again, that also depends on what they need. So they can request materials. We can help them out with materials. They can supply their own materials. We can do a supply fee for anyone that's coming. So again, it's really open-ended, and they just need to reach out to me and we'll work it out.
So in other words, if it's like artistry and gold, they might have to talk about it a little bit more.
Yes.
How soon do you need your instructors?
Well, I'm planning the sessions right now. So I'm planning July, August, and September, and we're trying to get that on the catalog.
Okay.
But I actually plan a year out. I have classes that are already scheduled a year out, 18 months out. So it really just depends. You know, people will call and they'll say they have this great idea, but I'm not available until, and I'll say, okay, well, let's look at the calendar and let's get you on the calendar. And so it's really open-ended. It's a great place to be. And teaching is fun.
Sounds like fun.
It is a lot of fun.
And of course, we'll have all the information you need to get up with Dr. Mary Ann Cooper, Education Director with the Art League of Ocean City. Thank you so much for talking with us today.
Thank you so much for having me here today.